YouTubers, I am Sheriar. Today in this video, I will show you how to use MADDY BLUE filter in use Lightroom on Android. For example, so let's start. Select brightness, contrast plus 30, highlight plus 20, shadows plus 30, white minus 100, black plus 20. Select the curve and follow this step. And done. Select the color panel, choose the custom, temperature plus 5, vibrance plus 50, saturation minus 10. Select the color mixer panel, choose the red, luminance minus 10. Select the orange, hue minus 10, saturation minus 30. Select the yellow, hue minus 100, saturation minus 80. Luminance minus 20. Select the green, hue plus 40, saturation minus 70, luminance minus 70. Select the aqua, saturation minus 100. Select the blue, hue minus 30, saturation minus 70, luminance minus 10, minus 30. Select the purple, saturation minus 100, magenta, saturation minus 100. And let's done. Select the color panel, select shadow, hue 220, saturation 50, luminance 36. Select the highlights, select the highlights, hue 190, saturation 10, luminous, blending 100, balance 40. Select the glue ball, hue 220, saturation 10, and less done. Select the effect, clarity plus 10, ds plus 10, select the detail. And then finish. Copy the preset, and select. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.